Hi guys, my name's Danielle Collins and I'm the world leading face yoga expert, and I'm going to show you a really quick massage that you can do using a gua sha. So I'm using this beautiful gua sha that we stock in our shop, so just head to faceyogaexpert.com/shop and you'll see it there. Now it's ethically produced, it's scientifically proven, and it's such beautiful quality jade. So you really don't want to be going for a cheap gua sha. They're usually made of glass or crushed up marble, and they're not having those really wonderful healing effects of the crystal. So apply a little bit of your plant-based oil or serum. So Pro Lift Moisturizing Serum Fusion by Danielle Collins is also available on the shop, and if you apply that before you use your gua sha, it's really going to help your gua sha move deeper. It's going to allow your gua sha to just glide a little bit better, and you're going to have all those wonderful, nourishing, organic ingredients, which is all certified by the Soil Association, and they're going to help to nourish your skin and give it a wonderful glow as well. So just take your gua sha now, and we're going to start off just doing a little bit of lymphatic drainage, working with this part down the side of the neck. So really try and relax your face muscles while you do this. Breathe deeply in and out through the nose and move to the other side, nice and gently working downwards, just helping to get rid of any puffiness in the face. This can even help with things like dark circles. Even though you're working down here, it's just helping to drain that lymph. Then we're going to go up to the forehead. So just working all the way across the forehead. Just allow your gua sha to glide beautifully. And the other side, nice and gently, working across. And then just come along your cheeks. So really wonderful glow to the cheeks, a lifting effect after you've done this technique. And the other side. So there's been some wonderful scientific studies on the use of gua sha, just showing how it can actually help the skin to look younger. So working a little bit further down now. And this particular gua sha that we stock has won so many beauty awards. So many skincare specialists use it because it really is the very, very best quality. Then just come across using this little bit and then gently down. So coming across and down. And just doing a few of those. And then the other side. Coming all the way down. And then just come underneath the eyes and gently press under the eye area. Now you can even do this pressing as a stand-alone technique. I often just pop the gua sha in the freezer for about 30 minutes, maybe before I'm doing some filming or before I'm going out somewhere, and it really just helps to eliminate any puffiness under the eyes. Then just gently close the eyes and just press, and you can just turn the gua sha the other way. And just press gently underneath the eyes again. And there you have it. There's your gua sha techniques. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.